Hey, stop! Little girl, stop! Look, I need to borrow your hoverboard. Where is he? Here. There! He's on a hoverboard!
Unsay ayo diha. Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. Yes. Mao ni atong i-review today. Back to the Future 2 Magnetic Levitating Hoverboard from Kids Logic. Let's get down to it. Before that, don't forget to press like and subscribe. Okay, mo ni ang front box. Kilid. Levitating. I think mo ni katong sa bata. Gihuman ni Marty McFly and then the rest of Biff's crew. Kani mo ni kang Biff. Ang adra de kani Pitbull. Okay. Kilid. And then layo. Layo. Back to the Future Part 2. Diba? Okay. Let's pabilihan to ni. Okay. Posa. Nada. Instruction manual. Ooh. Okay. So we have the 5 hoverboards. Okay. And base. Okay. Let's check the hoverboards in detail. Oh, by the way, ang nakanindot na siya ko, no? Na siya mga standing base daan. Ablihan ta ni. So, mo yung katong sa mga bases sa hoverboard. Yang base para mo levitate. And, unfortunately, wala siya adapter. Outlet adapter. Look. Kailangan battery. Kani wala. You need to buy this for yourself. Man, why? Kids Logic. Ano mo ka nag-apila ni? Anyway. Sige, ito sana i-display daan. So, it says here na, at a clear view, at least 5 centimeters apart. Kaya maguba tingali. So, ato na ipalayo-layo. Okay, first, from the right, kaning mura og Japan inspired board. Okay. So, mo ni ang sa taas, and then kanina part ang under. Okay, butang na to. Pina, ani. There. Next, the Pitbull. Monikang Biff. Pitbull. Nindot, ano pa yung detail na eh. Nice detail. Ang under. Oh, and it says here, ang kaling sa Pitbull, pwede butangan og battery. Nya, musiga-siga para fire effect. The LED. Nara, unya lang sa nato ibutang display sa the Pitbull. Okay, next is the famous hoverboard of Marty McFly, given by the little girl. Okay, di lang sa nato itaod ng with handle. Hoverboard niya ang sa backside. Okay. Batang. Nindot siya kay nagibutang ag mga ani. Next, no tech, know-how. No tech know-how. Ang under. Universal Studios and New Drive joint venture. Kids Logic. Lagi siya. Okay. Tech know-how. I'm curious, na bang uba na? Ano? All na dyan tanan. Okay. Karon pa ako notice. And the last one, sa mani, murag question mark na lightning and some vandalism here and there. Check. So many. Odd man out. Okay. See what I'm got to. So here are the hoverboards. Okay, testingin na itong palupad. The main event. Floating. I have to say, I did like about 5 minutes trying how to let this board hover like that. But finally, hovering, it's very cool. Right, let's try the other boards. Here we tried the hoverboard given by little girl to Marty McFly. It's okay, pretty nice. Let's try to spin it. Oh no, it just spins by itself. Cool. Oh, actually I checked the other reviews and yeah, it's right. What they're saying is true. It just vibrates like that. I think because of its size, or probably because it has a battery inside. Let's try to spin it. Yeah, just okay. And then just keeps shaking again. Now let's try the Japan hoverboard. Okay. No issues there. Pretty stable. Yeah, pretty stable. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. So as a general review, Bisaya in Japan, I think it's pretty cool to have this on your desk. I'm sure a lot of your friends know Back to the Future. And I'm sure they will be envious of this. Okay. Anyway, take care. This is Bisaya in Japan. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. See ya!